Special announcement, save the date, Monday, November 7th, 12 p.m. to 1. I will be hosting a free virtual homebuyer workshop. Hi, this is Christine Serafini, Miranda Real Estate Group, real estate salesperson, and I want to help leverage you with the tools and to be successful in purchasing either your first home or your second home or your third home. We're in a different market right now, and buyers need to be educated on what they need to do to find the home they're looking for, have the tools necessary to get their offer accepted, and also know what programs might be out there that you qualify for, whether for closing costs or rebate programs. This is going to be a free event. Again, it's virtual. First half hour is going to be all about the process. Second half hour is for you to ask questions. Register below. You will not have the link unless you register below for this free event. Again, Monday, November 7th, 12 to 1. Always remember, Serafini sells homes.